Let's take a look at another error today. This is the NXT5000. We seem to be getting a ribbon error. You may not have a screen like this one, but maybe your print center on your computer is telling you that you have a ribbon error. You've just put a new ribbon in, and you're not quite sure why you're getting this error. And every time you look, it's still a good ribbon. Or maybe you're halfway through a ribbon and now you're getting a ribbon error, but your ribbon seems to be intact. You've rebooted the machine, you've put your new ribbon in, you still seem to be getting a ribbon error. One thing that you can check is the ribbon tensioning belt. So what we will do to do that is open up our cover, remove our ribbon. On the left side of the machine, you will see a little pulley. We're going to lift that up, and our side cover will open. If you're just sitting in a guide plate, you may have to lift it up just enough for this cover to open for you. And what we're going to do is we're going to come back to the machine here, and we're going to look at our belts. So I can tell that this belt right here is not on, and you may have a clear belt. Yours might not be black. Some of them are clear, some of them are black. This one here, we can tell that is not around this pulley. So what we want to do is we want to pull this down and get that around our pulley. This is creating an issue with our ribbon because it's not moving it forward. Once that is around the pulley on both sides here, and this one as well, we now can close our cover, drop our ribbon back in the machine, and watch our error go away.